Hey guys, John here. So I have some very cool products by Tufskinz for my brand new 2022 Toyota Tundra. So let's get into that in this video. So guys, Tufskinz has a whole bunch of stuff. I will leave a link to their site and a discount code down in the description for you guys. But they sent out a lot of stuff, including some extras for me to put onto my Tundra to kind of show you guys all what they have. So let's check some of the stuff out. We got some tailgate inserts. So tailgate insert there, one right there, and a carbon fiber one. So with tons more on their sides. I think I'm gonna go with the American flag one. I already put this matte TRD in here. We got a bunch other things though for the grill. We have the tricolor inserts, those tricolor inserts, white inserts, some dashboard stuff, rocker panel protectant, and two, if you guys have a chrome bumper, super excited about this. This is like a textured material for the chrome bumper. So very excited to show you guys that. Let's peel some of this stuff off and install it. So I'm gonna put the American flag one back here. Truck is all washed, everything's prepped, everything's nice and clean. The cool thing that I really like about Tufskinz products, one, their packaging, insane, made in America, but the stuff lasts for a long time. Like I've had the stuff on my 4Runner, I don't know, probably for like however long I've had my 4Runner, 4 years now? Getting close to 5 years, no issues on the outside or on the inside. The Tundra, you have this embossed Tundra logo in the back of the tailgate. Personally, I think it looks good just the way it is, but if you want to enhance it with these inserts, you could definitely do that. Okay, and I installed the left-hand side for that chrome delete. Now, it's not absolutely perfect, and even they say that it's not gonna cover every square inch of the chrome, but you can see a little bit of chrome over here on the left-hand side, and just a tiny bit up top. Now, if I want to heat this up and play with it a little bit more, like I did over here, like you can bring the material over, but it's kind of like a rough, nice textured material, and it does match the bumper pretty well. So then from a distance, you have the more blacked out look, and then the chrome over there. So if you have a paint match bumper and maybe you want a little bit of texture back there, you scratch something up, this would be a good alternative, and then it'll flow with the bumper. So let's go ahead and get the right-hand side on now. Okay, so I got the right side on, and doing things that I learned from this left side, I may, unless it's settled a little bit, guys, take your time, because as you can see, there's a lot less chrome on this one. On their site, it says that it covers basically the exterior of it, but like this right here, I could probably get a little bit closer by morphing it together. Yeah, like that. So I'll probably peel that off again. And put it a little bit closer, because if you guys look at the one on their site, it looks very good. Now, is that the most perfect solution to dechrome the rear? I mean, no, you can take apart everything, take each cap off, take the center of the bumper off, and wrap it physically if you want to, or just do this, and it's nice and textured. And I mean, to the naked eye, like at a quick glance, you guys can't even really tell the difference. Now coming on to the inside, this is what I'm most excited for. We have some console protection stuff in here, because if you put anything onto the console here, it just moves around, slides around. So we got some pads for that. We got inlays here. They have tons of other stuff on their sites, guys, but we got that. And then I also have some door card inserts and the rocker panel protectors. Okay, so I added the like felt pad to right here. It's very nice, and this is still the plastic. So if you throw the keys right there in that one, you have them. Shouldn't make that much noise, they're just there. Versus if you have them right here, not only that, but you're protecting all your plastic right here too. So not much noise, sliding all around. So that part's pretty cool. And now both little felt pads are installed. So I like it because the way that they cut it, like with precision, it goes around the original grooves that are there in the Tundra. And then we also have Tundra right here. It's in white. And I also have a red one, so I may swap that out for red. And here's the front door pockets before, front door cards after, rear door pockets before, and rear door cards. So now in order to do the door sill ones, all you have to do is just pop up the plastic liner. I literally just popped it up with my hands. It's held in by 4 little tabs. You're gonna line up the top half, so it comes in 2 pieces. So you're gonna line up the top half like this, fold it over. Once you take the 3 backing off, fold it over, and then you'll add, yep, custom text. But anyways, then you'll be able to add both the top one and the bottom to this to protect this whole area right here. So there you go. I actually elected to put the Tundra one on it since I have a Pro coming, and this one will be selling. But this is cool because you can put your foot here now, with no worries about scratching up the rocker panel paint or since this is plastic on the Tundra too, potentially damaging that plastic. So now we're coming up to the front of the Tundra, so I'm gonna choose the tricolor just to see how that is. We have the white Tundra inlay for the lower portion of the grille, these two white stripes, and I don't know which one yet. These go basically on the side right there under the lights. So the tri-inserts are pretty cool, so it's gonna go red, orange, yellow. But the way you do it is you see like this little lip right here, they just peel and just stick up into there. So there's the tricolor on, we got TRD up top and then red, orange, yellow. So you could put these either on this side there or that side over there where it has the kind of like little overhangs. Now here we are in front without the two white inserts. And now we have those two white inserts, and I actually like them, so I will be color matching this whole grill, so I think that actually looks pretty good. Guys, I'm gonna be putting everything on the front. Obviously, it's gonna be pretty busy, but it's just to show you guys how everything is, just in case maybe you want just that, or maybe just the tricolors, or maybe you just want the things over here under the lights, but I wanna show you guys everything on the Tundra. And now the whole front end is done, so we have the white markers up here, Tundra down there, TRD in it, the tricolors, and also on this side, I just put the white ones so you guys could see it. Now, if you guys do elect to get these little grill ones, be careful because see how they're all different sizes? That's because it starts kind of big at top and then you can kind of see it narrow down. So if you guys are gonna be installing those on the little intake vents right here, just make sure that you're keeping track of the size. So for me personally, I do like the front end. I'm probably gonna leave the tricolors on it. I do actually like those two little ones right next to the Toyota logo and the TRD. If I had to choose the Tundra portion over again, I probably would have put the carbon fiber one on. So I have a carbon fiber one or just like a more matte finish. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the other products again. So we have the Tundra insert right here. I really like that. We have the door inserts here. I'm not sure if I was supposed to get one for right there, but that'd be cool if there was another one right here so you could put stuff there. We have Tundra inlaid in here. Probably go with the darker color or the red. It really pops in this kind of darker interior, or maybe even a silver. This I really like. The padding right here, so that's cool. They have a bunch of other stuff too, guys, that goes around here if you want to really decorate up your interior. And then we will go to the back of it again. I didn't show you guys this. I put Tundra up here. I've seen some dudes have like camo, I think, for that one. And then we have the American flag in the back, and then the bumper matched back there to kind of dechrome it. So guys, that's it with this Tufskinz install. Very simple to do. You guys could pick whatever you want. If you only want a couple things like the TRD inlay or Tundra inlays in the back, link to their site down in the description along with a 10% discount code. All right guys, I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.